Hi there, welcome to Scott Live. So today I'm going to show you the best keyword tool to use for your YouTube videos, like tagging the keywords you use in your tags, like in the descriptions. Of course, we know that tags make a very good advantage when it comes to YouTube video promoting. So if you want to know which tags are mostly used and which tags actually can which tags are trending, which one you can use in your YouTube video such that it can feature in among the best or the top 20, even if the top 20 and the top 10, of course your ranking, if your video is ranking the top 10, top 20, come to know you're doing some great job there. Okay, so I'm going to show you the tool, but before I show you the tool, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by pressing the red button there which shows subscribe now, or as well you can click the thumb up, or if you have any other tool which you use, you can leave that link. It's linked to it in the comment box below. So now all you need to have is a Chrome. Okay, of course YouTubers know what I'm talking about, I don't need to tell them that. Okay, so I've already opened it there. So you come here into Google and you type what I've written, the keyword tool. Okay, keyword tool, and you have to select what you see on top, that is keywordtool.io. okay, and then we select that keywordtool.io. And then here to have a variety, don't stress yourself with looking for keywords. And then you tap, for example, your video might be you're going to talk about how to, like, which tag, for example, how to, like, cooking. Okay, cooking. Okay, cooking 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 is about cooking skills. Okay, skills. Okay, then you click search. So this tool brings all the trending hashtags, prepositions, as well as keyword suggestions and many more. So you hold on. So there are like cooking skills, Sims 4, cooking skills, meme, and many other keywords you can use in your description as well in a blog. So the whatever you see here in the black, which is blood, which you cannot see, you can feel like you have to pay to see that. But for us, what we are looking for are the one which are viewed here. Of course, we've already known that among one of the skills people are searching out there for on YouTube. Of course, I've selected YouTube. Of course, on Google are these ones. Okay, which you can even copy. You can tick here if I told you want to copy and subject. So you see there are 210 keywords here, so you can copy these keywords and you paste it maybe in your notepad or what, and you keep out suggesting, saying which one suits your what you feel like you're going to talk about. Okay, and then if you're going to use, you can even check out which is trending on YouTube. So it has a variety there. You can see YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, App Store, Instagram as well. If you're not a English speaker, you can check out with the other countries here, Afghanistan, and many options here. So that was what I wanted to show you for today, and this is what I've been using. It has worked for me for long. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We keep in touch in the next video. Thank you. Welcome.